Hello everyone. Moving forward to the next one, we'll first take some big pieces of paper and create papers and textures on the paper as shown, and we'll keep folding the paper to create into some layers of this paper, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly to make this really beautiful one. We'll take a separate paper and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using the help of some paper cups. We have drawn a structure on the paper cup, and then with the help of the marker we have colored the paper cup, and then we have cut the paper cup into some layers as we can see and learn, and then we'll again cut the paper's cup from the end parts to make this a really beautiful fan, or which looks like a windmill and or a top. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using a bottle's top or a bottle's cap to make a circle, and then we'll create it into a big eye which looks really awesome, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly and cut that eye, and then we'll paste it into a gloves of a plastic which is a hand glove and create a scary looking face, and then we'll create a toy out of it with the help of a paper cup. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a beautiful leaf which is a small one and a really beautiful color, and then we'll use some markers to create the beautiful design on the leaf. Moving ahead to the next one, in which we have taken a small piece of printed paper which looks really awesome, and we will fold the paper and cut the paper accordingly as shown to make this really awesome and beautiful looking butterfly which looks really cute and awesome. We'll follow the steps to complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which you have taken a big piece of paper and will start folding it from the halfway as shown in the video. This is a really easy one and can be easily learned by kids and adults too. We'll follow the steps accordingly as shown to make this a really beautiful heart shaped one which looks really awesome and cool. We'll create a really beautiful heart shape as shown, and then we'll take the help of some scissors to move forward and create these three hearts which looks really beautiful. Moving ahead to the next one, in which we are using cardboard. We have firstly taken the cutout of this cardboard which is in a heart shape, and then we'll add some chocolates on the heart and follow the steps to learn to make it. Thank you for watching the video.